Hello, in this session we're going to talk a little bit about grammar. We're going to see the structure verb plus to and infinitive. The infinitive form can be the subject of a sentence if we're not referring to general situations. For example, to save money now seems impossible. To study at Alex's place is very difficult. His flatmates are very noisy. We can also place the pronoun it in the first place at the start of the sentence and take the infinitive to the end. For example, it seems impossible to save money now. It, place the pronoun at the beginning and the infinitive at the end. It seems impossible to save money now. The infinitive can also be the complement of the verb. For example, her plan is to keep the affair secret. The infinitive can also be the object or part of the object of a verb. Now, for example, these are some of the common verbs that this can happen with. For example, let's see some examples. With the verb agree. They agreed to pay $50. With the verb decide. He decided not to go to the conference. With the verb dare. Do you dare do it? They offered to renew my contract. You promised to tell me the truth. Okay. The following phrases can also be followed by an infinitive. To be about to be about to do something. Can or can't afford to do something. To make an effort to do something. To do one's best to do something, or I would like to do something. Okay, there I've used the verb do, but of course that verb could be replaced by any other appropriate verb for this structure. The infinitive can also follow the structure verb. Here we have some examples. Ask, decide, discover, plus a question word. How, what, when, where, which and why. For example, my sister didn't know when to switch the machine off. They tried to discover how to open the window because it was really hot. I found out where to buy cheap tickets. The infinitive can also be used to express purpose. For example, he sent me to buy some of the things we had run out of the day before. Okay, the purpose of my going to the shop was to buy some food. It can also be used after certain adjectives and also with to and enough. For example, this truck isn't safe to drive. He was very happy to see her. This pudding is easy to make. You are too young to understand what we are talking about. He is old enough to travel by himself. Remember to write the adjective before the word enough, okay? He is old enough to travel, okay? Okay, and this is all for the moment. Bye-bye.